welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here today to share another great recipe with you guys. So it's going to be a broccoli cheddar soup today. Before I move on, if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share the video. All right, so we're going to make some cream of broccoli soup, and we have some celery already diced up here, which is one stalk of celery. Normally I put a little bit more, but I just go with one stalk today. You can put more if you like. And I got an onion here, which is just a medium-sized onion. I'm just gonna dice these up right in the pot. Don't have to be too small because you're gonna puree the soup, all right? So we're just gonna cut these up and add them right to the celery right here, and also have 2 cloves of garlic. All right, get that right in my bowl. And I'm just going to rough chop the garlic. Again, I said everything is going to be pureed out, so I'm not too worried about size of the garlic right now. Just give it a nice rough chop right here. Or if you have one of those choppers, you can throw it in and chop it. All right, that's beautiful. So we're gonna get the sauté off, and I have I'm gonna put in because I'm doubling my recipe, so I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter. Regular I do just 2 tablespoons. If you're making a small amount, I got about 6 cups of broccoli right here. All right, so we're just gonna go over to the stove top and we're gonna get this going. All right, so right here we're just gonna go ahead and add all the onions. As soon as I melt that butter, I get all the onions inside. We're just gonna saute this until everything gets nice and tender, soft. That already smells good. Just gonna give it a nice stir. Okay, so right now we're gonna add some water to this. I had a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper inside of that. Let's give it a nice stir. Beautiful, and I got some bouillon cubes right here. You can see that. And this is the chicken flavor. You can use a vegetarian one as you wish. Just break those up and throw it in. And I'm using 2 cubes. And you're gonna add salt to your taste. All right, so those bouillon cubes are in there. Give it a nice stir. This is ready for the water. I'm just gonna add I just add 4 cups of water to that. Get my fan going here. And now this is where you're gonna add your broccoli right inside. We're just gonna let this simmer down until the broccoli is nice and tender. Scrape every bit of that out. So while the soup is going, I got 2 tablespoons of butter here melting down. We're gonna make a little bit of roux. 1 tablespoon of butter here melting down. We're gonna make a little bit of roux. 1 tablespoon of butter here melting down. We're gonna make a little bit of roux. 1 tablespoon of butter here melting down. We're gonna make a little bit of roux. for the soup to the thickener. So I'm just gonna add flour right inside. We're just making some roux right here. So the roux is pretty simple. You can shut off your stove as soon as you get this stirred nicely. And I will show you when we're going to add this to the soup. All right. So this is some spinach. I shred here for my toast, because I'm going to have some toast to go with the soup as well. I have 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I just melt them off inside the microwave. I'm just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic to this. Some smoked paprika. Just want to add enough to give it a nice, rich color and also flavor. So I just use a fork to crush it a bit. If you have a whippet, you can use it as well. Should be fine. All right. That smells so good with the smoked paprika and the garlic powder inside there. Just gonna put it on top of your sandwich. We're gonna jump right over to our soup and see what's going on. So as you can see, cooks down nicely. Broccoli's nice and tender. We're just gonna start puree that. So I'm just gonna put this on low, and I'm gonna use my hand blender here. So now I'm just gonna add my roux inside. And just give this a nice stir. Get inside. That's gonna start thickening up now. So this is where you wanna add your cream or milk. Sure you get that roux all mixed out. That's what's gonna give your soup that nice body. Crank my stove back up. So I will be adding my cream. And I'm just using 5%. You can use 2% milk if you like. I just use half of 1 liter. Just give it a nice stir. Wait on it to come back to a boil. It's going to get nice and thick. And your soup should be ready in a few minutes. So guys, again, don't forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment. Let me know you like. I will put this recipe in the description. You guys can make it. And let me know how you guys like it. Beautiful. So we're just going to wait until it comes back to a boil. So now this is done. And that's the texture that you're looking for. Nice and rich. All right. Okay, so I'll just get my sandwich, well, my toast. Some of the beautiful smoked paprika cream cheese. You just spread it nicely on there. Smells so good with smoked paprika. Oh. All right. So here we go. Just gonna put that right on my plate, like that. 2 nice pieces of toast. What I'm gonna do, I have some spinach right here. Put some spinach right on top. It's gonna go really good with this sandwich, with the soup. Keep on saying sandwiches, all right? But still, it's like an open face sandwich, right? That's what it is, really. Just want to put it like that. Looking beautiful. Now we're gonna get our soup out. Nice and steamy hot. You just, when you're picking up your soup, not to get your cup messed up, you just want to rest the ladle right on top of the soup, and then you go up. You won't have any spill. On top of the soup, and up. Just like that. Beautiful. All right, just want to set it down right on. Looking good. Wow. Just for garnish, just gonna put a little bit of cheddar. And this is marble cheddar anyway, but it works right on the top like that. Then you get a couple sprig of that same spinach just to throw in it like that. Looking so good. And this is some green onion that I put inside of some ice water. I'm just gonna throw that right on my plate, and voila, there we go. So that is our broccoli soup, cream of broccoli with our open face smoked paprika toast right there, cream cheese toast, looking so delicious. I'm just gonna taste it for you guys. All right, I'm gonna do a taste test. Let you guys know. I'll dip out of this one, right out of the pot. All right. Wow, so creamy. You can taste the broccoli. Flavor is really good. Oh my God, it's amazing. I want you guys to try this out and let me know how you like it. All right. So guys, again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and I'll catch you in another one.